I have heard about that your quote a lot of times that if you think experts are expensive, hire an amateur. So how do you look at that? How do you explain that?
यार मेरे को दर्द होता है और रोना आता है जब मैं ये सोचता हूं कि why I tried to do so many things on my own for so many years. Dronacharya had a coach. Dronacharya was a coach to the Pandavas and the Kauravas. Coaching is not new. Sachin Tendulkar has a coach. Virat Kohli has a coach. When the best people in the world have a coach, how can we not have coaches? Coaches for everything. Coaches for the mind. Coaches for the body. Coaches for everything. You cannot go to the next level without a coach. School maybe the coaches hote. Now I'll tell you, Sammy. The biggest thing is when we were in school, we had three things. We had structure. एक structure था यार. Who's going to get up at 7 and go? But we had to get up at 6, 7 in the morning, in the winter, in the cold, whatever. Go to school because there was a structure, right? हमने जाना इस टाइम पे स्कूल है, इस टाइम पे गेम्स की क्लास है, इस टाइम मैथ्स है, इस टाइम साइंस है, स्ट्रक्चर दिया था. Then there was discipline. एक क्लास के बाद दूसरी क्लास, हाउस कैप्टन, मीटिंग, ये वो, assembly. There was a discipline. And third was community. There were friends. There was communities. तो हम लोग किसी तरीके से स्कूल हमने पास कर लिया सबने. We can all speak English. We can all speak Hindi. We can do basic maths. We can do basic science. We understand civics. We understand politics. So we've learned a lot. Then we went into college. College में discipline कम हो गया, थोड़ा structure भी कम हो गया, थोड़ी community थी. Then when you become entrepreneurs, there is no structure, discipline or community. You are said, अकेले जाओ, अकेले करो. अकेले, how can you do it? And that too without coaches. First you need structure, then you need community, then you need discipline, and then you need coaches. If you don't have all of this, be चुपचाप बैठ के अपने किसी अच्छी तरह नौकरी करो, because I love नौकरी. I feel नौकरी is one of the best things for learning, because you are learning with somebody who has already walked the path and you're getting paid to learn. पैसे मिल रहे हैं आपको सीखने के. So मेरे हिसाब से नौकरी is one of the best thing. But अगर आपने entrepreneurship करनी है या लाइफ में कुछ भी करना है ढंग से, you have to get a coach, man. कल को मैं आपको बोलूं, okay, let's learn tennis without a coach. We will play and have fun, but we will not get to any competition stage. Okay, let's play chess without a coach. Let's play, but we will not get to competition. Business is a competition, man. Business is real battle. Business is real as a sport. How can you win at that sport against competitions who have coaches and you don't have?